What's going on here? What's with the bag?
Good morning.
That does not answer my question. We're supposed to be going to church. What's with the box?
Last night, we talked about you taking me to my father.
Is something wrong with you? You're supposed to be getting ready for church.
Mom, I didn't just fall from the sky. I have a father. Who is he? Where is he? Where can I find him? Okay. If you don't want to take me to him, tell me where he is. I can go there.
Wow. Somebody's manning up. That's good. Don't you dare get me pissed. Get this box out of here. Go get dressed. We're going to church. End this whole drama right now.
Someone whose house is on fire doesn't go around chasing mice.
Oh, awesome, great Dibia. Now you're going to tell me parables? You're going to speak in parables to me? Don't you get me upset. I'm warning you for the second time. Pick your box, go upstairs, go get ready for church, and don't be stupid.
You're taking me to my father.
Well, I'm going to have to disappoint you. I do not know who your father is. Are you mad?
I don't understand.
You think if I know who your father is, you'd be in this house wasting and loafing around like an idiot? My goodness, you are a thorn on my flesh. You are one mistake I have made I could never forgive myself for. You are annoying. You've ruined so many things for me. I do not like to have you around here. You piss me off all the time. I'm just holding myself back. So do not get me angry. Get out of here with this box. Go get ready for church.
I'm not a bastard. I'm not a bastard. Am I?
This is your last chance, Emmanuel. Get upstairs, get ready, and go to church. Perhaps God will listen to your prayers and get you the hell out of my life.
Am I?
Good job! Standing here asking me who his father is like I owe him. Don't you dare break anything, Dad! You don't want to get me mad! Hey, get back here! Hey, no!
Hi.
Hi.
Just wanted to say thank you for your kindness in there.
No, you already said thank you. You're the guy from the bar.
You look familiar. Have we met before?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay. So how you doing? Where you going? Can I buy you a drink?
I'm sorry. I'm in a hurry. I can't stand and chit chat.
Okay, I understand, but I can buy you a drink sometime. It doesn't have to be,
No. I'm in a hurry. I just told you.
Okay, fine. Can I get your number so I can give you a call sometime? How about that? Wait, you're not gonna just walk out to me like that, would you? You're just a number. I want to call you sometime. Come on, I just want to call you sometime. Right? Listen, I'm a nice guy, okay? I just want to... Oh, your card instead. Oh, okay. Cool.
Hey, touch me.
What?
Flogsy, When do you intend to tell me what I need to know about you?
What do you need to know about me? What's wrong?
Oh, you're confused, right?
Oh, yes, I am. What?
What don't you understand?
Everything. You're speaking in riddles, plus you haven't said anything. What is it? Can we go inside and talk?
Go where? I will never enter this house again with your cheap lies, you blood-out liar.
Wait. Edward, what's with the outburst? What's wrong?
Who is Emmanuel's mom? Floxy, are you a baby mama? Oh, you suddenly become mute.
No, I am... Yes, I'm a single mom.
So why did you lie to me?
No, I didn't lie, Edward. It's something I can actually explain to you. It's not what you think.
What do you want to explain? Something you could not explain to me in the past 4 months that we've been together? Hey, don't touch me.
Please. Can I just...
Floxy,
Yes.
it's over.
No.
It's over between us. See, it can never work anymore.
Please, let me explain.
See, for not telling me that Emmanuel is your son is the height of it.
No, I was going to. Oh, thank goodness. Edward, please.
Do you know you're a glorified prostitute? Do you know that? You think I will never find out?
Edward, can you please not throw insults in? Let me just explain to you.
Floxy, you're not who I thought you are.
Okay, that's enough. If you're going to go, then you can go, but just... Are you really going?
No, I'm coming back. Rubbish.
Auntie, good afternoon. Auntie, welcome.
What?
A man came looking for you. He's waiting at the frontage. Did you see him?
Get out of here. Get out of here right now.
Oh,
Are you deaf?
what did
I said get out! God, having a child outside wedlock is a curse! I can't get married with this boy around. I cannot get married with this boy around. He's a curse!
Switched off. How? It can be a low battery. A babe who has a sturdy light in her house can have issues with charging her phone, even with a solar. No, am I sure my friend is okay? No. I need to go see her. I need to know what is going on with my girl. So like her. Okay. No battery.
Floxy! Babes! Flox. What happened?
nothing seems to be working. Everything is just...
Okay, calm down. You know you can talk to me, right? I got your back. Now tell me, what happened? Did you receive any distress call? How about Mom? How about Emmanuel? Did anything happen?
Edward broke up with me.
What? He walked away?
Yes, he walked away. He found out about Emmanuel.
And he walked away just like that?
Yes.
After taking 5 million naira from you, he walked away?
Yeah.
I won't take it though. You just have to stop crying right now, please. Just clean those tears. I hope he paid with an interest.
No, I even forgot to ask for the money.
Flux. Why?
He called me unprintable names. Prostitute. I don't know how he found out. Jess.
He called you names. He called you a prostitute. He's mad. His generations are prostitutes. What is his problem? After taking money from you, I won't take it all. You just have to calm down and stop crying. Then we can talk about him later. All right? Please, calm down. That guy collected so much money from you. He chopped clean mouth. Can't get... Don't worry. Just calm down. Please, stop crying. I need you to stop bothering yourself for now. All right? Please, calm down. Please. No, don't do this. You're going to break my heart. Please, don't do this. Please. Stop, please. Stop. You can go through this. Right? It's alright. You can do it. Calm down. Flux.
Are you serious? You're not bothered. Dating site is not opening.
Keep trying.
No, dating site closed. God, like, what is it? I need to settle down. I need to be a missus. What is it with single mothers? Why can't I get married?
Flux, you will get married.
When?
Soon. God will do it.
Menopause. After menopause. Before menopause.
What? Don't say that.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say anymore, honestly. It's exhausting. It's like being a single mom is a crime. Like, it seems like God has even forsaken me.
Don't say that. God has not forsaken you. He's still with you.
No, he has. He blames me for being a single mom. Tired.
Flux. Listen to me. It is not your fault. You're just a victim of circumstance. And I want you to stop telling people about Emmanuel.
I didn't tell any of them. I don't know how they keep finding out.
Oh. Someone must have told them.
Yes, someone did, but who? I mean, why? Oh, hi, she has a son. Like, who does that?
I don't know, that's bad. But come on. You should be grateful. You know you're beautiful and successful. You don't lack men. Edward just left. Before you can say Jack, you see another guy at your door knocking, begging to be your man.
Oh, yes.
You should be grateful to God for that.
Oh, I am.
Please go back to the dating site. Keep checking. Keep checking. Something will come up. You know, it's almost lunchtime.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Flux Events.
Oh, no, he's here to see me.
Oh, okay. Flux,
Hi.
I think it's time for lunch. I'll get going. So what do I get for you?
Nothing. I'm perfect. Sure. Yes. Oh, please.
Please sit.
Sit. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
So sorry. My friend Jessica.
Right.
Please sit.
Were you surprised?
No.
Basi,
Matter of God.
Basi, abeg, come.
What be that?
No. Come close now. No, they ask me question. They come close.
And don't you do your mouth like this. I don't see now. You won't go talk one kind of thing when no follow. Wait till that.
That's it.
Huh?
Wait till that happen for this, not this year. Wait till they go on between Madam and Pikin. The way Madam they take to this Pikin, me I don't like him. I don't like him.
Me too. I don't like him. But how do I want to concern you?
Why you not go consign me? Eh? Wait till they talk. The way they treat him is nice. Is it good?
How you take the treat Emmanuel, you know good, eh? Because Emmanuel, that boy, that boy go well. That boy is a very fine boy. He can't have people join. So how Madam take the treat him, you know, to enter?
Put the treat him like say no be am born am. No, they see him. Just the treat him, say na one kind Pikin like that.
You know good. How you take the treat him, you know good.
No make sense now. Like
I
no
pity
be
the boy. I pity him.
Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm perfect. I just wasn't expecting you.
Oh, I decided to surprise you, actually. I didn't want to call you on the phone. Yeah.
It's okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm perfect.
You look like there's something bothering you.
No.
You mind sharing?
No, nothing. I'm okay.
Are you sure? You can tell me anything.
I'm fine.
Nice place.
Thank you.
You're doing very well for yourself.
Thank you.
You know, I actually know this business, Floxy Events. I never knew you were the owner.
Well, I'm the owner. Have we worked for you before?
Yes. Well, technically, my sister got married, and I think you guys catered for the entire event. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Amma.
No. Amanda?
Yeah, Amma. She's my younger sister.
No way. Small world.
Yeah. You two know each other?
Yes. We actually went to the same university. We're not in the same department, but I know Amma really well.
Right. Small world indeed. You know, I told you looked familiar. You probably thought...
and I thought it was the guy's code.
Oh, okay. Apparently it's
so you
not.
were Amma's brother?
Yeah.
Yes. Amma and I were good.
Yeah, my elder brother, actually.
Elder?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you said elder previously. So, sorry.
Nice place.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
The problem I don't want to say, the way men they come inside this house, they come out. If they allow me now, they're shocking.
I know that is shocking to you. Eh? Madam, she is very beautiful. Madam too fine. She enter, she gel, she go well. And that's me say she can't get money. She did very successful.
I hear you.
Maybe when they cook, waiting the make person go toilet 100 times a day.
I beg you. Why I not gonna give you the food you reject am? See, I'm not fine. You with the talk, I'm not fine. Now because I wear this thing. On your non self, no supposed to see me here. Now putting poverty cause. If not behind, if you don't see me, I fine, I set. This is where I come here, come that say I not get shape, I not come fine. Madam, which kind of fine? No, they see me.
Your fineness na for people.
The only she make money for this life. I beg you, leave that to the talk, Joe. Leave that to. Another one be say, they hard. In could get man. But if they found that say in get picky, they could live and jabba. They could just live.
Another one depend me. Another one me I no can understand why. But you know your fellow woman is supposed to pity him.
Pity him for waiting now. For waiting now. Why would I pity him? When they do in show work or in prostitution work, I've been there with them. What did they tell me? Why would I be pitying her? What you call him? Your madam.
Mata, this your man will put you for trouble. How you take no say she do show work?
You don't know. You know I ain't take born that picky. I ain't take born now.
Mata, as madam no to lie the boy, Emmanuel. Me call him mama, me mama can carry Emmanuel. I really me I know say I go fit talk. Me mama they train him.
In sense no reach there. In sense no reach there. Not be to get money, now to get sense. You get? Passing this
Passing school, no be passing sense. See you too. You
Passing
know even
sense?
Sabi and join. You dey talk nonsense. This your mouth will put you for trouble. You know, go back to
No,
that
they
people.
insult me if I beat you now. I'm not gonna give you food for this house again.
Chop am.
Get mad.
Chop.
Who know self? Who know whether they even do something with madam? Today talk rubbish. Nonsense.
I don't blame you.
I better get out.
Your potty where they cook.
Now me welcome the gist you.
Nobody first state go look
Come
you.
on here. Who know
Come on,
whether una
fair.
don't do? They come on. They support them.
Talk.
Rubbish.
You set. I feel go girl wey set.
This one go. This one go. My eye on you.
Yeah, so we can clearly see this is the Lord's doing. I mean, your man walked away and he's not coming back anymore. My ex walked away and she's not coming back anymore.
Okay.
So I feel like it's a good time to kick off something good. What do you think? I'm a nice guy. You can ask my sister. Flogsy, the truth is, the first time I saw you, yeah, I got interested. But then there's something about you that I couldn't really figure out. And I'm very excited that we're having this conversation right now. You know, I'm close to you, I'm sitting next to you, and I could see that you're pretty much an amazing person. I mean, look at you, you're doing well for yourself. You're beautiful, you're intelligent, you're hardworking. So that makes the two of us. Yeah. I mean, trust me, let's give it a try.
Mick.
I mean, I promise to treat you right. I promise to do that. I promise to, I promise to just do everything I'm supposed to do to make you happy. All you have to do is say yes. You don't have to look at me or... Listen, it takes a lot for a man to open up this much, all right? I'm one of those few men out there who would go any length to see a woman, to make a woman believe them.
Obviously.
Yeah, I mean, I'm one of those few people. I'm not trying to blow my trumpet, but the truth is, this is for good. This is for good. I'm not trying to play games. I'm just, telling you how I feel. And I'm glad you're giving me, the right, responses. I know you haven't said yes, but you keep nodding your head, so that's okay. But just say yes.
I cannot believe that Edward will do this to me. He promised to be there for me. We promised each other forever. He broke up with me because of Emmanuel.
Flogsy, please. Please do this for me. Get pregnant for me. I promise you I will take good care of you.
Edward, can we please not go back to this discussion? We are adults and we have to do things the right way.
Please. Get pregnant for me and I will hasten the marital rights.
No. Edward. No. There is a pattern to life. When it comes to having kids, it's marriage and then kids. I'm not going to reverse that process because, no.
Come on. Please.
No.
Just add a head to my option and I will take this whole thing to the next level.
No, Edward. It's a no. Can you please come downstairs? Lunch is ready. If I had allowed Edward to lure me into getting pregnant for him. So this is how I would have been a baby mama number 2 outside wedlock. Beautiful, classy, sassy, yet I just can't marry. Mom thinks I'm desperate to get married. And that's the reason why men are dealing with me. But why won't I be desperate? Why won't I be? I'm 36. I should be somebody's wife by now.
Madam, food already.
What do you... Can you stop calling me madam? Me call me any other thing. Auntie Floxy, Sister Floxy, Reverend. Just trash the madam. Can you please do that?
Madam, I don't know what you want mad they call you. Nah, you know say you my madam. And now you they pay my salary. So, my madam will still be.
Can you?
Auntie Floxy or Sister Floxy. Okay. Make I choose one between the two of them.
Lord, pick any. I don't care.
Auntie Floxy, Sister Floxy. Madam, I better call you Auntie Floxy. I know they go already, madam. I know they go already. Just come down, make you come chop. You cannot go microwave the food again. Yeah?
Okay. I hear you. Thank you.
Madam. Sister. Oh, God. Auntie Floxy. Last class, this thing will confuse me. Auntie Floxy. That bathing can wait. I'm sorry. That freshen up can wait. But that food cannot wait because it will get cold. I beg, come down, make you come chop. Auntie Floxy. Okay, ma. Auntie Floxy.
Floxy, why are you doing this to me? Why are you treating me this bad? I love you so much and that's all that matters, right?
Josh, you've said this over and over again, and I need time. I just need time. My last relationship was draining. I need time to heal.
How much time do you need?
I don't know. I just need time to get myself together.
All right. Do you want to share with me what you've been through? Like, I want to know why you broke up with your ex. What's up? Just talk to me about things. You're too, stuck up and you don't want to say things to me. What's going on? I really need to know.
It was just...
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I have to take this.
That's okay.
Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. I totally forgot. All right, shortly. All right, see you shortly. All right, thank you. Bye. Yeah. Floxy, I'm sorry, I have to go. It's important.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Where do you think you're going? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
I want to go play football outside.
Why do you feel the need to always show your face when I have a visitor? Why? What's the urge for?
I'm sorry.
Get back inside. Go back inside. You want to ruin this one too? Everyone must know I have a son. A useless one at that.
Get wetin dey happen for this house. Why I no dey understand. Since I come here, now so madam, they shout for this small pikin. Eh? That boy do bad thing come this life. I been na him born himself. Now so madam go dey shout for this boy. They shout for him. They shout for him. Okay, bata, him go shout for him. James coming, him go shout for him. Any man wey enter this house, him go dey shout for that innocent boy. Wetin Emmanuel do? But no be Emmanuel carry himself come this life. Na him still open leg. They give am belle, him born that pikin. Innocent child, when you do am anything. Now wow. You no want the pikin na? Why you no carry and go another person? Or sell am, or you give am orphanage now. You go better. Or you carry and go give your mama. At least that common sense suppose enter in head. But that one no show. Now, if person come find out say he get pikin, they don't jabba, they go. Now, before you know what is happening, another person don't show. Can you imagine? Anyway, now waiting him do himself. You feel like make him continue. No be me give am belle. Number one, I know they when he carry that belle. I know be me tell him may open leg, may he carry belle born Emmanuel. So at least he suppose use him common sense to give that pikin mother love. Waiting be my business matter. Do waiting carry you come here, say so.
No, please. Can he please stay with you?
He can't do. He's your son.
I know he's my son, Mommy. Understand me. I just don't want him around me for now.
You don't want your own son around you. Is that what you're saying?
No, Mommy, can you just please help me handle him for now? Emmanuel's presence is causing me more harm than good.
He needs his mother. Let him stay with his mother, please.
I cannot get married with him around me. I keep falling in and out of love because of him. The men call me Tokumbo.
Let him stay with you. That boy can't get the best of education here. He's very intelligent and I don't want him to grow up and worry. I don't want him to be raised in this environment.
Please. How many men will stay with someone who has already dropped one? Every man wants chassis, a new girl. I just need space to sort myself out. He can't be with me. I'm just speaking from my point of view.
He calls you auntie. So how do these men always find out that he's not your son? How?
Please, just help me take good care of him. I'll do anything. Please, just do this one favor for me. I mean, everybody knows. People know.
Are you sure it's not Jessica that tells them? Find out.
People talk. When somebody knows something about you, the best thing they can do is to always use it against you at will. That's what's happening.
Best thing indeed. You need to be careful with these ones.
Why would Jessica want to do that to me? Her fiancé is in the UK. She has no reason to do that. She's my best friend.
Conference. Because I don't understand them.
Please, are you helping me or not? Jessica has no reason to be jealous of me. Of me? Of course not.
So who's telling them? Except you've been the one telling them yourself.
Mommy, can you just please do this for me? Just this one favor, can you please?
Did you hear me the first time? Train your own child into a man you want him to grow up. Please.
I am not disputing that, Mommy. Just help me take care of him. I'll send upkeep or what. She hung up.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel. You even sit down here, they call you, keep quiet. My food not ready.
I'm not hungry.
Oh, Chineke. I say your food is ready. You're not hungry.
Now they speak English for me, because this food, I know how many this thing that I know what thing I do for kitchen there before I prepare this food. The time, strength, energy, 3 things put together. I use and prepare this food. They tell me say you don't want chop. They remind me. Where chop?
I'm not hungry and I don't want to eat.
No, they were serious. If you are not hungry, I don't want to eat. No, they speak grammar for me. No, they open eye for me. But wait, with the formulate tears. Because I the way they see your face. This way you won't do, you no go help. You no go help. I will tell you the truth, say you no go help. Anti-flogs. Na your mama. Na your mama, and I don't know why she gon' hate you. So no be my fault, say the woman don't like you. So that chop, eat. All the important.
Did you just say mother?
Yes, na. Auntie Floxy. Na your mama where you be now? Na your mama you be?
Auntie mother. Auntie Floxy. My mother.
Na your mama now. Auntie Floxy na your mama. See, make I tell you something. Better chop, so you will get strength and energy where you go use face am if you come back. Tell am, may I tell you where your papa dey. It's because he no like you. Your papa go like you now. So I don't know why he go dey maltreat you like this. You got to chop. You understand? So when your mama come back, when Auntie Floxy come back, you go meet am one-on-one. You talk to am. So chop.
Auntie Floxy.
Speaking to the husband question.
My mother.
Na your mama now, wetin you wan hear? Auntie Floxy na your mama. Auntie Floxy, Maggie, Maggie. He no wan tell you. No wan tell you. Something they tell me say your papa dey alive. And I don't know why he dey hide am. He no wan tell you. Yes, something is telling me that.
Then why did Bob and Auntie Floxy not tell me that she's my mom?
They don't want me to ask them petty questions now. They don't need petty questions for you. Still be, you know, say be small picking. Be small picking. And if he tell you something like if he confuse you. So now my chop, make you forget strength. Morale, where you go use that.
I'm not hungry.
Are you see? Why they were serious? Can you imagine? Well, no me do wetin they do in a family. This food cannot waste. Na me cook am. Na my strength I use cook am. Maybe if your man come back, then I say you no want chop food though. I can chop am for you.
Babe, how did you discover this exclusive restaurant?
Why, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I come here to comb my hair.
And it took you this long to bring me to this place. I thought we were friends. Vlogs.
Afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
You, what person?
Me? No.
Sorry, ma'am. My boss did. He's still over there. He's the owner of this place.
Oh, okay. Thank him for us. Vlogs. I think we have nice people here.
No, not with me now.
So, I can say no to this, but not for red wine. Not like that. Check your mail.
I'm talking, eating something else here. I've been checking on you.
Food?
Yes, food.
Maybe we can do it.
Ladies. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
Yes, hi. You mind if I join your table?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the treat.
Well, it's really nothing. And your friend, she seems not to be the talking type.
Yes. Yes, she is.
All right. Okay. Well, my name is Nelson. So what are your beautiful names?
My name is Jessica. And my friend here is Fluxy, but I call her Flux for short.
Wow, Fluxy. Yeah. Fluxy is beautiful. I like her.
Where this boy? Bassett! See this boy. This boy there they sleep. What's be your problem?
Mata, you the crazy? Now you born me?
Why they sleep on duty? Eh?
I know they sleep.
What do they do? They meditate.
And they relax.
Continue relaxing. Where Emmanuel there?
Which kind of question that where Emmanuel dey? Emmanuel go inside your room now.
Sure, say Emmanuel go there inside your room. Emmanuel no there inside your room. And from your room they come out. Food I even keep from for dinner. You don't even chop am. Emmanuel no there in your room.
And you supposed to know now 12 on a day inside house.
Which I say that me suppose know. No be you they take care of our side. Now because say they sleep now why you come out. My work now today inside kitchen they cook. You now to take care of this veranda. When you come there, Emmanuel come from out.
Mata, I know they sleep and they meditate.
Which kind of meditation be that? They see for vision. Meaning waiting now.
Hey, the boy come work go now.
Ha, see me see wahala.
Emmanuel! Come out so.
I don't blame you. That place where they enter, that's where Emmanuel there.
Maybe they sleep for
you
there.
You don't go come outside.
Ha.
You don't go come outside, go find Emmanuel. You don't enter there. That place where they enter, they're supposed to enter.
Let's go. Emmanuel!
They sleep on duty. Don't find that picking mess with him.
Emmanuel!
Uncle Amobi. Good afternoon.
Ah, Emmanuel. This one you are here. What do you want to buy?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? So why are you here?
Uncle, please, can I take your phone to call my mommy worry?
Is your auntie not at home?
No, she's not at home.
I hope no problem.
Uh-uh.
All right, sit down. You can have my phone. All right?
Thank you.
Call her. But be fast though, I don't have much credit.
Who is on the line?
It's me, Emmanuel.
Ah, Emmanuel, my grandson. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What is it?
Is Auntie Floxy my mother? Hello? Is anyone there?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm here.
Then answer my question. Is Auntie Floxy my mother?
Where did you get that?
Where I got it from is immaterial.
I am listening, Emmanuel.
I heard that you are not my mom and Auntie Floxy is. Is that why she hates me so much? I don't know what to say. Is that why she never lets my face to show around? Is that why she puts all her frustrations on me?
Please calm down, my dear soul. Calm down.
Grandma, I cannot calm down. Why would I calm down when I know I have a father? Let her take me to my father. Or let her will run away. I'm tired. I don't know. She thinks I'm the cause of her problems. I'm sure that wherever my father is, he needs me. He wants me.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Emmanuel. Sit down. Sit. All right? Don't worry. Sit down. Relax.
Yeah. You know, I like quiet people. I like your friend.
I can read in between the lines.
Yes, but this one that she seems very calm and not talking. Is she married?
No, she's single, not married. She's just an introvert, right?
That's good news, son. And so I think we can have a date for two.
Yes, yes. That would be perfect. Right, Floxy?
Sorry, I have a call. I should take this. Excuse me, please.
Yeah, you know, I like her. You know, I like calm, quiet people. She is. I like her. So can I have her contact? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Here you go.
All right.
Her number is the first on the card.
Oh. Yeah, thank you.
No.
I like her. I actually would like to start something with her.
They just met her.
Talk of love at first sight. Besides, I'm okay. I know I can take care of her. I can make her happy. So what else are we talking about?
Floxy, my friend, is a beautiful, hard-working young lady. She paved her way to the top. So she doesn't need your money to feel happy, or any man's money. She's made.
That makes it better because she's the type that will understand and listen well.
Once again, thank you for the treat.
Thank you for thanking me.
Boy, you have not told me how you found out that your auntie is your biological mother.
I had to find out. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Let it not be that you're making an assumption.
The person who told me in confidence. So, it's not an assumption.
Emmanuel, that is the question. Because your auntie does not look like someone who has given birth before.
Is it written on the forehead?
Emmanuel, you have to go home.
I'm not going back to that house.
What is wrong with this boy? Emmanuel, you have to go home.
No. Let me tell you something. What I saw in that house, sitting, even if you climb an iroko tree, you will not see it unless you walk in my shoes.
Emmanuel, you need to go home. They might be looking for you everywhere.
Let them look for me. Let them look for me. I don't want to go.
Emmanuel, you need to go home. Now. You need to go home. Yes. You need to go home. Understand with me? They might be looking for you everywhere now. So please, just try. Okay?
Basi, so his sister here no go come outside go to find that pikin.
Mata, now this your talk. Now you think cause this will happen for her now?
Meaning waiting now, as what? I don't understand.
You two talk.
Eh?
Understand that we two talk.
As waiting, what are they talk?
Mata, now this your talk made they pursue you for where they walk before you come here. You still they talk.
Basi.
Mata.
No insult me. Shey you dey hear me? You know wetin happen when make me come up for that place. You know wetin happen?
I know.
You don't know, of course you don't know. So you just dey run your mouth. Just dey run your mouth, dey talk. You don't know anything.
Mata, they don't need tell me. Thank God I don't already announce and say now talk, make the pursue for them.
Liar. At least you mind your business here now. The cleaning work wey they give you say make you do. Oh, you don't do am. You dey here, you dey do cleaning work. It's there they meditate. They meditate your papa, be your mama. Wetin dey meditate? You know go my house go dey meditate. I be your papa house go dey meditate. You dey here they meditate on duty post. Me dey waiting now.
Mata, I don't look you finish to tell you wait. I don't even know what I will tell you.
But you know nothing.
You wait day here say you be cook. What is I be cook? Ordinary beans, everyday beans. Where the pot person? If I no carry bread, chop am. But na so person go do it for toilet.
At least I give you beans make chop now. You when they say cleaning work, you don't clean house finish. Abi you don't take care of pikin finish. You sit down here they sleep. A man come out, you no see am. Wetin be this thing where you carry for?
I dey take care of pikin. Make I breastfeed pikin.
Why you no go use eye take care of the environment? You don't know your work. Make Madam Flossie come inside. Now you go tell her you go explain everything finish. You go explain no evidence.
Mata, your talk you just tire me.
Wetin I dey talk sef? I follow person wey be illiterate. They exchange words. They exchange words. Your mama, cleaner. Your papa, cleaner. Your family, your grandfather, great-grandfather, cleaner. You say, go school, you're Simba. I don't blame you, I don't know why they exchange words. Come outside, go they find Emmanuel. I don't know what they talk. Come outside, go they find Emmanuel. If they hold you responsible, they go sack you. I don't go beg for you.
You be crazy
I
person.
don't go beg for you. I think just how they crazy.
You be crazy person.
They cook better food. They cook better food.
You dey cook potty, nonsense. Not you dey cook. If Mother Floss no cook, what you go chop? You that nonsense where they cook. Waiting again, beans.
How many times you don't see Mother Floss for kitchen?
Come on for here.
How many times you don't see her for kitchen?
Come on for here.
If they stand, they learn from me. Suppose no. Sure. If they cook very well.
Now why you no talk? You dey cook. What you cook?
I not blame. At least I talk.
You sabi cook. You no come talk.
You no concern you.
Beans.
Yes. Hold up. Just wait. Hold on. When did you turn into my spokesperson?
Oh.
You just literally gave a stranger my contact.
Okay.
Without my permission.
Babes, calm down. I think that guy likes you.
Oh, yeah.
He told me he fell in love with you at first sight.
Anyway, that's not my problem now. My problem now is I have to get home and speak to Emmanuel because he's been calling my mother and asking very stupid questions.
How did he get a phone?
I don't have any idea. He doesn't have one.
So, what was his question?
Well, very stupid ones. Asking if I'm really his mother.
Serious? Who told him such nonsense?
I don't have any idea, but I'm about to find out. Plus, he's asking if I'm not his mother. He wants to know who his father is so he can go to his father since I don't want him, apparently.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
I mean, who is the fool that opened his or her mouth to tell him such nonsense?
Well, some idiot did, and I'm about to find out because whoever told Emmanuel that is the same person who told Edward.
Yeah, I'm sure you're making sense. You need to find out.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Hello. What's up? Have you sent? Have you sent? Okay.
Emmanuel!
What kind of rubbish is this, eh? What do I tell madam now? God, who do I ask in this estate now? Who do I ask? Nobody to ask. Which kind of thing is this? What kind of problem is this? Emmanuel! Emmanuel!
I don't understand, Mommy. They both claim not to know where he is. I don't know if he's missing.
I'm sure that must be Emmanuel.
I don't know. They're standing in front of me here. Nobody's saying anything.
Emmanuel.
Let me call you back. He's here.
Where have you been? Are you okay?
I owe you no explanation.
Excuse me, who are you talking to? Where have you been?
And where is my father?
Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? You want me to get up from here? You've been acting really stupid and strange, flipping every single script to get me annoyed. Who's feeding you nonsense? Who's my mother? Where's my father? What's wrong with you? If I catch the person feeding you nonsense, I will kill that person. And you must tell me who.
Madam.
Uh-huh.
My mother wait there. And she tell us say you be mama.
See this boy. Which one is that matter?
Come on, shut up.
Why they lie with mine? What's be your problem, Basi?
Madam, now so she go tell her girl what? Say now you born Emmanuel.
Madam, na lie. I don't talk that kind of thing.
Now she talk.
You dey mad?
Come on, shut up.
I could beat you. Why you go dey lie with my name? What's be your problem, sir? Madam, na lie.
Shh. Start talking. Start talking right now.
Give me this thing. Look, man.
Stop this door.
Okay, well done. I say make I bring this juice for you. May you use the calm yourself now. As they watch leak.
But I didn't ask for it. Besides, you're blocking me.
Sir, I'm just doing my job. I just dey do my job, you know now. So, you know, say your spirit dey high. You dey high like a Iroko tree. I say make I bring this drink for you. May you use the calm your spirits down. May you go cool you down. You go cool you chalele. Just
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I go there kitchen. I go there kitchen. If you need anything, you holler me. Just call my name. I will come. I will come. If you need fried meat.
I will not be needing anything. Thank you very much. Please, let me wash my mouth.
Okay, sir. Okay. Bros.
What is it?
You get waiting I won't tell you. Get waiting I won't tell you. And it is very important. You know, say not be my business, but I need to tell you. You're supposed to know about them. You know, say if I not tell you now, if you find out tomorrow, come be say person know about that, you no want tell you. So make I tell you.
Is there any problem?
Plenty problem. Plenty. Okay, too big go. The problem too big.
Spill it.
Sir, I go come back. I will come back later. I go tell you, make I go finish something for kitchen. I will return back here. We'll see you later.
Martha.
Will you come back here?
Sir. Okay.
Spill.
Oh, God. I'll put myself. Okay. See, move here, move first. You know, my God, I will take compose. Put this thing now, talk. You know, Emmanuel, that small pikin where they live with us here. Now your fiancé pikin.
What? Wait. Martha.
Boss.
You mean Emmanuel is our son?
Na him pikin. I'm born through prostitution. Put the pikin through prostitution.
Wait. Is Floxy a prostitute?
They play. No. They do prostitution for Libya. They do prostitution. They can't come back. Once you say age no they their side again. They come back.
They?
That him friend, Jessica. 2 of them. And then they do prostitution. Highway prostitution. Ndikeya Olosho. That's what they are doing. No, she dey lie give you. She just dey cover up with church. Church, this church. No be church person. I dey tell you truth. What's happening now? They tell you.
Martha.
Bros. Make I come. Okay.
Martha.
Bros.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Please, not lie.
I'm asking you. Are you sure of what you just told me? Was that a lie?
Please, I don't talk lie.
I will take what you told me first.
Okay, it's not lie. Don't lie. Bros. Brady. I don't lie. I don't put myself in problem. God, I beg, oh. I can't lose my job. Drink, you know, can't drink again. Hey, God. Bros, na lie, oh. I don't lie. Hey.
Madam. So you destroyed another person's relationship with your cheap lies?
And the devil has. I'm not in the devil hand.
Devil kill you there. Stupid girl. Do you know what you've cost my friend? You made her to lose her man. So you can't be trusted. After all she has done for you, Martha, you can't be trusted.
Yes.
Floss, this girl should be arrested.
No. Madam, no.
Just... What's up with you?
I'm having serious issues with those guys at the wharf.
Why?
My goods.
I thought you cleared them. You haven't?
I have not. The money those guys are calling is outrageous. And you know how much I have put in those containers.
So, what's your plan?
I need money.
How much are we looking at?
5 million naira.
That's a lot.
Babe, if you can lend me this money, believe you me, I will pay you back the moment I start selling.
I'm going to have to talk to Jessica about it. You know it's company money. Perhaps we can work out a loan for you. Hey, do well to pay on time.
Definitely now. You see why it is imperative for someone to marry a rich wife.
Oh God. Oh
Baby,
God.
see me, I don't clear you, eh? If I don't marry you, make a naked bar for betrayal.
What is that? What is that?
Don't worry. I'll be right back. Let me clean up.
Lord God, whenever you get all native. Wait, you're supposed to bath with your clothes on?
I'm coming.
Oh my God. Pack your things and go.
No. I disagree. She needs to be arrested.
I'm okay where I could go. Madam, please.
Get out.
I'm okay.
Get out!
Madam, Biko. Madam, please.
Go in and pack your things.
Madam, please.
Oh my goodness. Flux, I am sorry.
I'll make her go help him. Make she work for this house. Madam!
All of that?
Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg. Na my mouth cause am.
Stay here.
What's your problem, now? Madam, I beg. Oh, Jesus. I beg now.
Madam, they go.
Pasi, I beg. You know my person now. Help me beg, madam. Because I beg. I beg you. I beg,
madam. Eh? Martha, you was past devil. Martha, this is your mouth, eh? Cho. Now waiting make or get word. Can't leave madam, go.
He never reach like that now. But you know say wetin I talk na true.
What you talking about?
No blame born Emmanuel. But wetin we come dey talk now? Help me beg madam.
Mata no fit do that one for you. Come dey go. Mata, carry your bag, they go.
Where you want my dey kwano? Where you want my go? I don't get any place now.
Go back after you. Eh, they go.
I beg now.
Come on.
Give me transport.
Me? For wait.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello? Oh, sorry. I don't know who's speaking.
Nelson.
Nelson. Oh, yes, you did promise to call.
How are you, Floggy? How's your day going?
Bad.
Bad? Tell me about it. What happened?
My day was bad. Seriously. For now, I have to go.
Flogsy? Hello, Flogsy?
What's going on here? What's with the bag?
Good morning.
That does not answer my question. We're supposed to be going to church. What's with the box?
Last night, we talked about you taking me to my father.
Is something wrong with you? You're supposed to be getting ready for church.
Mom, I didn't just fall from the sky. I have a father. Who is he? Where is he? Where can I find him? Okay. If you don't want to take me to him, tell me where he is. I can go there.
Wow. Somebody's manning up. That's good. Don't you dare get me pissed. Get this box out of here. Go get dressed. We're going to church. End this whole drama right now.
Someone whose house is on fire doesn't go around chasing mice.
Oh, awesome, great Dibia. Now you're going to tell me parables? You're going to speak in parables to me? Don't you get me upset. I'm warning you for the second time. Pick your box, go upstairs, go get ready for church, and don't be stupid.
You're taking me to my father.
Well, I'm going to have to disappoint you. I do not know who your father is. Are you mad?
I don't understand.
You think if I know who your father is, you'd be in this house wasting and loafing around like an idiot? My goodness, you are a thorn on my flesh. You are one mistake I have made I could never forgive myself for. You are annoying. You've ruined so many things for me. I do not like to have you around here. You piss me off all the time. I'm just holding myself back. So do not get me angry. Get out of here with this box. Go get ready for church.
I'm not a bastard. I'm not a bastard. Am I?
This is your last chance, Emmanuel. Get upstairs, get ready, and go to church. Perhaps God will listen to your prayers and get you the hell out of my life.
Am I?
Good job! Standing here asking me who his father is like I owe him. Don't you dare break anything, Dad! You don't want to get me mad! Hey, get back here! Hey, no!
Brother James, don't worry, everything is going to be fine. I have interceded for her in prayers. Of course, she will deliver like the Hebrew women. The Lord is in control. I hear God as a man hear his friend. And the Lord has told me that everything will be fine. Right?
It was nice.
Very nice.
So what? Oh.
Daughters of Zion.
Oh, good afternoon, Pastor.
God bless you. You're a blessing to this service, right?
It was nice.
To God be the glory.
Amen.
I didn't see Emmanuel today in service. What happened?
He went to see my mother.
Oh, I see. Okay, say me well to him when he comes
I
back.
will.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Amen.
Why did you lie to a pastor?
Last night, Auntie Martha was sacked for telling me what she told me.
Emmanuel, are you telling me that the maid has been sacked?
Yes. That same day, I packed all my things. In the morning, I woke up as early as I could, dressed up, and picked my box, waiting patiently for her. But when she finally came, she dropped the bombshell.
The bomb?
No, I meant the bombshell.
Oh, come.
She never denied being her son. But what pained me the most is that she said, I don't have a father.
Oh, no. Come on. How could a big lady like that would tell me that she don't know who got her pregnant or who is responsible for that pregnancy? No. See, Emmanuel, from what I've gathered so far, I could see your auntie is going through a lot of emotional stress, big problems. But you know what? You need to love her. Don't hate her. Okay?
I always loved her. But she always shoves me away like a trash.
Oh no, come on. Don't worry about that. Have you had something today?
No.
Don't worry. I'll take you somewhere you have good food. Let's go. Let's go.
Come in.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable while I fix us something to eat. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you had someone to help you do all of that.
Well, I did, but I sent her on an indefinite suspension yesterday.
You fired her?
Kind of.
Why? You want to tell me?
Why don't we talk about the why later?
All right.
Please sit down.
All right.
Excuse me.
What's a babe?
Oh, I heard that.
Who is there? You. Call me the manager, please. Hurry up.
Babe, I think Floxy, your phone is ringing. Someone's calling you.
1 minute. Speaking, I'm coming.
Oh, okay.
It's a Sunday. I'm just gonna call you baby. Hello?
Hello? Yeah, just hold on. All right, thank you.
Yep, back here.
Someone's calling.
Yeah, it's okay. Hello? Hi, Nelson.
Who was that?
My friend.
Your friend? You have a boyfriend?
I was actually cooking and I just quickly picked up your call. Can I call you back?
Don't try to change the topic. That's not what I'm talking about. I said, do you have a boyfriend?
Have a blessed day. Nelson, I'm going to call you back. I'm really very busy now. I'm in the middle of something.
Like, really?
Okay,
Bye. Thanks. 1 minute.
All right.
Thank you.
Flogsy has a boyfriend in the arms of a man on a Sunday afternoon. I guess the man is taking her to the moon. Women. Oh. Women. Women.
Well done.
Hi, you're here.
Good job.
Thank you.
So I was hoping I could help you do one of the chores in the kitchen.
Okay, what exactly?
I can pound. Yeah.
Well, unfortunately for you, I do not pound.
Oh.
I blend.
Well, in my opinion, I feel pounding makes you more African as a woman. Yeah.
Says who? Because I do not have the time to pound, and like I said earlier, I always blend.
Okay, so I'll tell you something. Take for instance, this is your pepper, right?
Mm-hmm.
You put a lot of water into it.
Mm-hmm.
You wash it properly and make sure it is clean. You put it right inside the mortar and pound it with your pesto. Pound it like pound everything.
But somebody who has a lot of sisters, you know so much.
Okay, I'll tell you. Let's get started first. Sorry, where's your mortar?
You're serious?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Oh, no, I have to get that
Okay,
side.
I'll just wash these first and
You like it?
delicious.
Thank you.
I love it. Really nice.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Good afternoon.
Hey, cute boy. How are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. You didn't tell me you had a kid brother.
Oh, yes, I do. I do. My kid brother.
Oh, that's great. Emmanuel is so brilliant and very handsome too.
Yes, he's very handsome. You know his name already.
Yes, we talked a few days ago when I came. Yeah.
He's handsome, like my dad.
I see. He's such a cool kid.
Yes, he is. My kid brother.
Yeah. Okay?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Eating.
I can see you're eating. Where?
Here.
I see you. Why? Take it to your room, but I still go to the kitchen where you come from.
No, let him eat.
No, it's just because, you know, he is a child. Just don't want him influenced by whatever it is we're talking about.
You didn't have to do that.
Oh, no, it's, you know, kids these days are really smart. You'll be wondering why you're here, why you slept here.
Okay, so he just wants to eat and
He's okay.
it's appropriate to eat on a dining table, right?
Oh, yes, I just don't like to expose my kid brother to, you know.
What? All right, cool. Are you all right?
Perfect. Never been better. Oh yeah. Shall we? What?
I love you. I love you.
Okay.
Okay. Aren't you going to say anything?
Can we go?
Listen, I love you. I'm serious about it.
Josh. Yep. Been in and out of relationships.
Okay, listen, what are you trying to say? Do you think I'm lying to you or I'm trying to deceive you or something? What is it? I love you.
Can we go?
Hey, can I get a hug or a peck or something? Just treat me nice. Come on.
Come on, Josh.
Oh, Floxy.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Nelson.
Yes, Floxy. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good day, sir.
So why haven't I seen you all of these days?
Nelson, my friend here has said good day, sir, severally.
Your friend has said good day. What friend? Where is it? I can't seem to see any friend. Look, you know, Floxy, you and I need to get to know each other very well. That can only be done when we get together. Hmm?
Let's go in.
I should.
I'll give you a call.
I'm just trying to understand why you will sit before me and tell me you have a boyfriend?
My friend.
Okay, so what's the difference between a boyfriend and a friend?
Sorry, why are you whining like a child?
Okay, I am now a child. I'm now childish because I'm asking you who I saw with you. Who was he to you? The young man I saw with you. Who was he? Or is he the father of your son?
Excuse me.
Boy bashed on you the other day. I was talking to you on the phone and I was asking you to take him to his father.
Where did you get that from? And what is this about?
Floxy, why do you have to lie to me? Do you have to lie to my face?
What is wrong with you?
You know what? You're just going to tell me the size of your finger and I'll slide the ring in that finger.
No.
I'll let all this nonsense stop.
No. The problem here is not about the ring, sliding a ring into my finger. The problem is you.
The problem is me. How?
You invite me out to lunch only to accuse me of cheating when we aren't even dating.
We aren't even dating. So what are we doing? What in the world are we doing?
Okay, that's it. I have to go. I have more important things to do than to sit here and be interrogated. Thank you. Thank you very much, but I have to go. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, you are here already.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Floxy is not here yet.
Oh, she stepped out for lunch.
Okay.
So, what do you care for?
Nothing, please.
Can I offer you tea or coffee?
Nothing. I'll just wait till Floxy to get back.
Even water?
I said nothing, Mom. Thank you.
It's alright, just relax. Flux will be back shortly.
Thank you.
Clever boy.
My name is Helen and I have some vital information to share with you.
Okay.
So I saw you with one nursing guy and I decided to come and talk to you to avoid stories that touches the heart.
I'm sorry, I don't get.
Nelson is one man that you will never want to be with.
Why?
Did he ever mention to you that he was married before?
Yes, divorced.
See, you're too beautiful and too classy to end up with a man like Nelson. Let me tell you something, Nelson is a woman beater. He beat up his wife twice, which resulted to her miscarriages.
What?
Yes. Nelson is one man that can never stand another man talking with you or even saying hi in his presence.
I'm sorry, how do you know this much?
His ex-wife is my friend and I was her maid of honor during her wedding. So I am telling you the truth, run as fast as your legs can carry you. Nelson is not a good man.
Are you sure we're talking about the same Nelson here?
Yes, Nelson, tall, and I know him.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, bye.
Bye.
Honey, if those things you just pointed out are being said about Nelson, I would advise you run. Girlfriend, run for your dear life.
It's worse. The guy is a chronic jealous lover. Jess, you needed to see the way he was fuming when he saw Josh. I mean, fuming. His expressions, he couldn't even hide it. George, on the other hand, was just CCC, cool, calm, collected, just calm, not asking any questions, just okay. In fact, he politely greeted like 4 times. Nelson did not even respond. He was fuming and shaking. Like,
you know, I know that Josh is a nice guy. And I think you should go out for him.
Okay.
Yeah, date him. He's a nice guy. Then discard this Nelson.
Okay,
He's smart.
Soothsayer, what do you mean?
No.
Hey,
you should date
no.
Josh. Trust me.
I'm thinking. Here. Yes. Hi.
Hi, ladies.
Hello, Josh.
You having a good day?
Oh, yes. Perfect. Wait.
Great. So, I'm here to take you out for lunch. I hope you don't mind.
Yes. I'll take this from here. Lunch.
Yeah, sure.
I'll be in the car.
Alright. I'll be out in a minute.
Right.
Make sure you enjoy your lunch.
Just call me shoes.
Okay, sure.
Hey. Where's your mind? You're not here.
I am. Just a bit lost.
Floxy, you're so fine. You're a very beautiful girl.
Thank you. What?
Floxy, is there something stopping us from being together?
None that I can think of.
Why are we not together?
I see the way you look at me of late. Searchingly. What's that about?
How do you know I look at you? I mean, my shades are really tinted.
I see through you.
That's right. Listen, no jokes, yeah? You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. And for a while now, I've been, trying to make some type of decision to,
To what? To what?
Finally, the ego has landed. Tell me more. What was the experience like? Was it good or bad? he propose? Mm. Girl, I am so happy for you. Finally. Listen, Flux. In as much as we are happy celebrating the good things that are about to happen in your life, I need you to be careful. You don't go about telling him about Emmanuel, right? Because if you tell him about Emmanuel, it's going to scare him away. He's going to walk away and you'll be lonely again. Or are you saying Amma is going to tell him? She's got better things to do with her life than gossiping about you. Are we clear now? Babe, please, Fluxy, don't spoil this for you. For us, do not tell him about Emmanuel. Don't let him know you are Emmanuel's mom. It's simple. Fluxy, I'm your friend and I want the best for you. And this is what we're going to do. As friends. Bye. And enjoy it. Fluxy. It actually feels so good to be in love.
Hi, Amanda. How are you and the kids? Yes, I called you earlier, but you didn't pick up, so I left you a message.
You are dating Flux, my friend.
We're dating, actually.
How long has this been going on?
For a while now. Yeah.
Do you love her?
Of course I love her. I do.
But how come she hasn't told me anything about your relationship?
Well, I feel she's still going to tell you. Maybe she's just taking her time.
I'm sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Love is not enough. She's beautiful and successful, though.
I want to marry her.
Have you told her yet?
Not yet. I wanted to talk to you about it first before I propose to her.
What about Mom, Dad, and others? Have you told them yet?
No, I haven't. But I will when the time comes.
Who am I to stand in the way of your happiness?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I wish you well.
Hi. Hi, Floxy.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. What?
Let's do this the right way. Yeah, I know. Listen, marry me, okay? I have, I don't know how to express myself right now, but just marry me. I love you. I want you to marry me, be my wife.
Josh, I
Hey. Just say yes. That's all you have to say. You don't have to say any other thing. Just say yes. I love you. You love me. We love each other. And I want you to be my wife, the mother of my children, and my companion, my best friend. And okay, you keep calling my name, but you don't say anything. Why are you stuttering? Are you trying to reject my proposal?
No.
Is there someone else you're in love with?
No.
So what's the problem? Yeah, just say it. Tell me. If you don't love me enough to marry me, then just say it. Just go ahead. Just tell me what the problem is.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel is my...
Is Emmanuel okay?
Yes, he's fine. He's my son.
Yeah, I mean, your son can be your brother can...
No. He is my son. My son. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
I'm sorry, Josh. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I ought to have told you.
Hey, hold on. I'm trying to get something right. Emmanuel is your son, like your biological son, and you didn't think it was right for you to tell me?
I was going to tell you. I don't know.
You are a baby mama, and you didn't think...
Can you please not say it like that?
How else do I say it? You've... Oh.
Listen, can I please explain?
Okay, this is my cue today.
No. Can I...
Hey, stop. It's okay. Have a good day.
I'm a victim of circumstance, lonely in a castle. I don't know how to push the pain away. I'm alive, but I'm not living. You haunting me on daily. Can you ever love me someday? When will this be over? Someday.
Oh God, please.
Cannot wait for this to be over.
What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I'm educated and beautiful. Why can't I get married? Why not? Why? Oh God. Why can't I settle down? Why? God, it's Emmanuel. That boy is just nothing but bad luck in my life. He's the only reason why I'm stagnant with no movement when it comes to men. Why won't you help me? I'm 36, I need to settle. I have to settle. Oh my God. I'm crazy. Why do I have a son? Why? I have to settle. And that boy is like a stumbling block in my life. God, please, I have to settle. What do I do? Please help me settle. I can't believe that even Josh will just walk away like the rest of them. Even Josh. God, please. Help me settle.
You're talking nonsense. Yes. What the hell is wrong with you? You knew she had a child before. You knew she's a baby mama and you want me to get married to her. Are you out of your mind? What type of a sister are you? The point is, you knew she had a child before. You knew she is a baby mama. How come you never told me? Oh, listen, don't even do that. All right? Don't even do that right now. I don't expect this from you. I do not care. Listen, I don't care about her explanations. I am uninterested. Do you understand me? And don't even try to patronize me right now. Don't do that. Listen, I said don't patronize me, okay? Because there's nothing you're going to tell me right now that would make me change my mind. Absolutely nothing. I am not going to give in to your cheap blackmail at this point, okay? I'll go out there and find me a brand new girl, not a second-handed one, because it is over between Flogsy and I. It's over. I said that.
What is going on here?
I'm just exhausted.
Really?
Exhausted. The entire thing just makes no sense. I swear, Jessica.
Oh! Floss. What happened?
It's not Emmanuel. That boy has sworn not to leave my life alone.
Emmanuel?
Yes.
What did he do this time? And why are you saying something like this? Why would you want your son to live your life?
That boy is a thorn on my flesh. That boy is a curse in my life.
Okay, calm down. Emmanuel is not a curse. Right? What happened? Floxy.
Josh left.
What? He left? What happened? Why would he go?
He proposed. And I thought it was wise for me to tell him the truth before he finds out or before I accept his ring.
Floxy, you told him the truth. Why did you tell him the truth?
Because he's Amani's brother, he will still find out.
And so? Why are you being unnecessarily obstinate? Have I not warned you not to tell them? You should not tell them. So he left, just like that.
He just called me names. Next week is my birthday. We planned for it to be grand. And now he left calling me a baby mama, calling me a prostitute. He left with the ring.
Oh, this is not good.
Having a child outside wedlock is a curse.
I won't take that. Emmanuel is not a curse in your life.
No, he's a curse.
He's a blessing in your life.
No!
He's a blessing.
That useless child is a curse.
He's not a curse.
God, I swear I wish him dead.
No! You're not supposed to. You should have waited for me so that we can plant something, you know? Just...
Exhausted, Jess.
Anyways, I'm so sorry. You will be alright. Trust me, I am here for you. You could have waited for me to come. So we'll think of something else.
One sip.
Alcohol?
A drop.
You need water. My friend.
Shut up.
Water is
just a pop.
When you look at me, all you see is a scar from your past that you wanna let go forever. You hurting me, I am blamed for your misfortune. I wish I can take all your pain away. When will this be over? Someday be over.
Thank you. I didn't even know it was my birthday today.
I know. The reason you didn't make any post online. Quite unlike you.
I didn't see the need to. I mean, I haven't made any progress whatsoever, so...
Get hold on yourself. I'm here for you, right?
I know, Jessica. I know. Thank you.
I am at your door. I've been knocking, but it seems Emmanuel is still deep into sleep.
Oh, you are? Okay, give me a second. I'll get there now. Oh. Give me a second.
Flags!
Madam! Madam! Emmanuel! Emmanuel! Madam!
What?
Emmanuel! Madam!
What is it?
Emmanuel!
Emmanuel! Emmanuel, I got this! Emmanuel! What is it? Emmanuel! What's his hands? What's that? What's that? Jackie! Emmanuel! God!
So this is where you are, shedding crocodile tears. This is where you are. No, I came to see the face of the woman, the most wicked woman I've ever known on earth. You're here shedding crocodile tears, eh? After killing my grandson, you're here shedding crocodile tears. Eh? You say what? You're sorry for what? You didn't know what? What didn't you know? That the harsh words you were using on this boy daily was affecting him emotionally, psychologically. You didn't know? And you say you're a mother. Wicked mother! You're here looking for sympathy. You're here looking for sympathy, crying, looking for sympathy.
Mama, it's okay. Please calm down.
Okay, what? Okay, what?
Can I talk to you?
You're here looking for sympathy, you. Where's my grandson?
Mama, please come with me.
Bring my grandson for me!
It's okay. Just go.
Bring my grandson for me, you! Wicked son!
Mama,
bring my grandson for me.
Let's talk.
That's the only story I will hear.
That's enough. That's enough.
You're crying.
Mama, that's
You're crying!
That's okay. Come on.
I told her to let Emmanuel. She killed my grandson! I told her to let Emmanuel. I told her very wicked mother. I told her to leave my grandson alone. I told her to leave him.
Home, it's okay.
Emmanuel, you told me to come and carry you. You told me to come and carry you. I was afraid of bringing you up in worry. You told me I failed you as a grandmother. Emmanuel, no. I failed you as a grandmother. I would have carried you. Remember you telling me you wanted to be a pilot? See, now they cut your life short. Emmanuel, they cut your life short. Emmanuel. Child, Emmanuel, look on. Child.
Mommy.
Painful.
Mommy, please.
Emmanuel.
Please. 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 You are hating so hard on yourself.
Hey!
You don't have to be hard on yourself, Emmanuel. Emmanuel is dead and gone. You know? And then again, we have to leave. We have to leave. We all don't have to die. Okay? Please, just calm down. I need you to forgive my friend. Please.
Forgive who? Forgive who? Your friend, Floxy, killed her son. A son she carried in her womb for 9 months. A child she didn't know what she would become in future. Killed. And you're here talking. You're here talking.
Mom, please. I would advise we let bygone be bygone. Let us come together as one so we can bear this great loss and encourage each other to move on. Apportioning blames at this point is dangerous. She's depressed. Please, let's come together. I don't want this to trigger your BP. Please. Right now, I want you to eat. You need food. Please.
I cannot eat or drink in this house. I'd rather starve.
Mom. Please. Okay, fine. But calm down. Okay? You calm down.
I'm leaving here. There's nothing I'm doing. There's nothing I'm doing. Leave me now. Leave me.
Mama, look at her.
Look at who?
She's sorry.
Look at this one. This wicked son. Wait, let me go.
Mama, I'm sorry, but...
I said leave the door. Let me go.
Mama, she is depressed already. You can't...
What's my problem? What's my business?
Because she's your daughter.
Wait, let me go.
Mama, please. Just come
Let me go now. I don't want all this. Let her bring back my grandson if you want me to stay here. Let her bring back my grandson if she wants me to stay here. Let me go.
Mama, please come down. Please, just stay. Please.
Let me go.
Mama,
Let me go!
No. I am not stopping you from leaving, but I can't just let you go.
I'm sorry, Mama. Let me go. Oh my God, let me go.
Emmanuel! Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Please, I'm looking for Emmanuel. My name is Amobi. I run a provision shop at the gates. Please go in and call me Emmanuel. Madam, go in and call me Emmanuel. He's my friend. I want to see him.
Emmanuel died.
What? Emmanuel is dead. How? What happened?
He committed suicide.
He committed suicide. Ha! No wonder this boy has been complaining bitterly about you.
No.
Yes! So you allow him to commit suicide?
No.
You killed him! No. Look!
Basil!
By the time I come back here with the police, all of you, I'll get you arrested.
No, wait.
What nonsense! You people are crazy people.
Agamobi, no be mother kill him.
Don't worry, I'm coming back.
Agamobi.
Sister Floxy, I've not been seeing you in church lately. Did you travel?
No, Pastor. I've been around.
Oh, I see.
I've been going through so much. I'm going through a lot, Pastor. I don't know.
The devil is a liar.
Amen.
You see, Sister Floxy, my Bible tells me that there is nothing impossible for God. He says in his word, he says is the Lord God of all flesh, and that there is nothing impossible for him. I tell you, indeed there is nothing impossible for God.
Amen. But this one just seems difficult, Pastor. My past is tormenting me. My past lies before me and I just can't move past it. It's just, I live the memory of my past afresh every day. That was how I got pregnant. My parents were in shock. I was excommunicated from church. The elders of the church were ashamed. This whole drama later led to my father's death. And since then, I haven't been able to settle or get the whole trauma off my head. The minute these men come near me and find out I have a son, they flee. They feel like I'm some disease.
Hello, you are on to Floxy event. How may we help you? Oh, sorry, the CEO is not on seat as we speak. Alright, thank you.
I couldn't manage myself properly. And instead of me to find out the root cause of my problems, I put the whole anger on my son. Complaining. Insulting. I frustrated him. I frustrated my own son. Until he died.
Jesus Christ.
Prior to that time, several times I've tried to poison my own son.
Jesus Christ.
I've tried to strangle my own boy. Until the worst happened on my birthday. Until the worst happened. My son drank poison. My very own son drank poison. Jesus. I frustrated my son until he drank poison and killed himself. And I can't forgive myself, Pastor. I can't. I blamed him for another person's mistake. I just can't. I can't.
Are you saying Emmanuel is dead?
My child.
Jesus Christ.
I can't heal. I can't heal, Pastor. I can't. I just can't.
Sister Flossie. I am truly sorry.
Oh, God.
I am sorry for what you're going through.
I can't. Oh, God. I can't.
Oh my goodness, it's past lunchtime. I think I should be heading for lunch. I told you when I'm back. Oh my goodness.
I am the cause of your misfortune.
No one is the cause, Pastor. I'm the cause of my own misfortune. I'm the cause.
No. No, you're not. My name is Abraham Solomon.
You know your name, Pastor.
I graduated from University of Port Harcourt. On the 9th of April, behind the admin block. God. I'm deeply sorry. I cost you a lot. This is my confession. The death of your own son. I am the same guy that raped you years ago. But I am sorry. I am truly sorry. Oh God. God have mercy. God have mercy on me.
When you look at me, all you see is a scar from your past that you wanna let go. Wish I can take all your pain.
Babe, what's going on? It sounded so urgent. Are you okay?
Yes. Oh my God. Just I feel like I'm going to be sick.
Are you on your temperature?
It's not that time.
Did Pastor Abraham conduct a deliverance on you after the counseling?
Pastor Abraham.
Okay, calm down, breathe.
He's AB. Pastor Abraham is Emmanuel's father. I mean...
Put me clear. What are you talking about? Pastor Abraham is Emmanuel's father.
University of Port Harcourt. On the 9th. Behind the admin block. Pastor Abraham is AB. Oh. The pastor is the rapist. I mean, no. The rapist is the pastor. Oh my God. It's him.
You hurting me. I am blamed for your misfortune. I wish I can take all your pain.
Babe, could this be the reason his wives kept dying? You know, the first wife died during childbirth. Same as the second wife. You know, I'm beginning to think that he's paying for his sins. Floxy, please, I will advise you let him be. Just leave that man alone, right? Please. And as for me, I'll stop going to his church. Please. You know, to think that a man A man who claimed to be a man of God could do a grievous thing like that to his fellow human being. Just, we'll talk about this when we see, please. Don't do anything until I get to where you are, all right? Just calm down. Floxy. Flox? Hello? Please.
Hello? Hi, babe. How are you? Are you alright? Babe, I'm sorry. Listen, I'm sorry for everything, okay? I've decided to adopt Emmanuel after we are married.
Emmanuel killed himself because none of you wanted him. I guess you're happy now.
What? What? Emmanuel is dead? Oh no! Babe, listen, I'm so sorry to hear this, okay? I didn't know. I didn't know. No one told me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
I am not your love. You don't even recognize the voice of your love.
Who's this? Jessica, is that you?
Yes,
Where's Floxy?
she's not in the right frame of mind to talk to anybody.
Emmanuel killed himself?
Uncle, good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. Can I sit with you?
Yeah, sure. Come, sit with me. How was school?
School is fine. My name is Emmanuel.
Okay.
And my friends do call me Noel.
Nice to meet you, Emmanuel. My name is Joshua, or you can call me Uncle Josh.
Nice meeting you, Uncle Josh.
Same here.
So, who are you to my auntie?
Your auntie and I are friends. We're good friends, yeah.
Friends?
Yeah, friends.
Or boyfriend?
Well, yeah, I'm a boy and I'm her friend, so that makes me her boyfriend, yeah.
Okay. I want to ask you this question.
Please go ahead.
Do you love my auntie?
Yeah. Yes, I love her. I love her.
Okay, I like you.
Oh, I like you too.
At this point, I have to go to my room and freshen up.
Oh, that's okay. So I guess I'll see you later, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Babe.
Ta-ta-ta.
Babe, are you home? Floxy. Hello.
Oh, Uncle Josh.
Hi.
Welcome, sir.
Oh, you're here.
Uncle
Hi.
Josh.
Emmanuel, how are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes.
You guys are here playing football?
Yes. How is work?
Oh, work is good. I can see you're playing football.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
I want you to exercise with us.
How do you mean?
Yes. Exercise profits the body.
Okay. You mean play some football? That's okay. But how's your auntie? Is she around?
She's not back yet.
Oh, she's not home.
Yes. But are you still going to play with us?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I will.
Okay.
All right. Oh, whoa. Thank
Can't you do this?
Okay.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay. Hey.
Wow.
For my healing, but it's not coming around. It has changed my life. I'm a shadow of myself. I keep hurting the ones I love, and I cannot take it back. I'm sorry. I know I've hurt you. Can we go back? Let me give you all the love you need. I'm sorry. I know I've hurt you.
Emmanuel's demise came to me as a shock. I feel so bad. And I keep telling myself that I shouldn't have left. If I didn't leave, he probably would have been alive and been with us now.
It's not your fault. It's my fault. I killed my son. I'm a terrible mother. I killed him with my constant bickering, complaints, blaming him for how my life turned out. When the person who put me in this mess stands there acting like some pastor.
Sorry, what do you mean? Was it the pastor who raped you?
Pastor Abraham. He raped me on campus years ago. He is Emmanuel's father.
What? Floxy, how do you mean?
That's what you ought to have asked. I tried to explain, but you wouldn't listen. Not for once did you even let me explain. You left. Emmanuel is dead and then you're back. For what?
I'm so sorry. I had no idea. Listen, I know I've done unspeakable things, but please, I'm sorry.
You said you love me. That didn't hold water. You said you love Emmanuel. And that too didn't hold water. Because the minute you learned he was my son, you left. How could you claim to love people and then just leave? How do you just leave and not look back? Not one chance for me to explain what happened and then you left.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
You should just go. You owe me any explanations. You should just go, please.
Please, Floxy, I had no idea all of this was happening. I'm so sorry. I'm ashamed of myself. Please.
Josh, you should go.
Please, I love you.
go. Please.
You seen the Pastor Abraham? My madam, they come.
It's okay. God bless you. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Why are you here? How dare you come to my house? Who let you in?
Sister Floxy, I am sorry. I want you to forgive me.
Forgive you for what exactly? For raping me in my prime? For getting me pregnant? Making my father die of that heartbreak? For killing my son? What exactly should I forgive you for?
The Bible says all have sinned and come short of his glory. I have made peace with God. All I need now is restitution. Sister Floxy.
I am not your sister. You had better leave here right now before I call the police and have you arrested and jailed.
Please, we have
You should go. Go. Basil!
When you look at me, all you see is a scar from your past that you wanna let go forever. You hurting me, I am blamed for your misfortune. I wish I can take all your pain away.
Rape is a despicable thing to do. I can imagine what she went through in the hands of men with the truth of being single, parents glaring her to her face. My father, the Holy Scripture says, if any man is in Christ, all things have passed away. Behold, all things have become new. I do not know why this do not want to pass away. I know I've wronged this lady called Sister Floxy by raping her in school while we're still graduates. Why can't she forgive me for the wrong I did to her when I'm not a born again?
Flox, please.
No. Jessica, that man raped me. I begged and begged and he did not listen. All my pleas fell on deaf ears. No.
Okay, but you can't keep allowing this man to come for restitution. Listen, I know this man is going through a lot because of what he did to you years back. We both know that he has lost 2 wives, even as a minister. So I need you to forgive him.
He can lose one more.
What?
For what he did to me, he should lose one more.
Flox, don't be so bitter.
I'm bitter. I am broken, I'm shattered, I'm in pain. I'm ruined. My heart is scattered. All my smiles are fake. Nothing matters because that day keeps replaying itself in my life. Every time I look at my son, that day comes back fresh. And instead of me to channel that anger to the nuisance who caused me so much pain, I put it on my son. I blame my son for every single thing that he did.
No, I will not forgive him.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. I sincerely understand everything. Trust me. But I need you to forgive him so that you can move on.
No,
Listen,
no,
I've
no.
pleaded with you. I've done all I can. I don't even know how to console you anymore.
I just want my son back.
I
don't want to move on. I just want my son back.
Let it go. Your son can't come back. All you need now is God.
No.
I pray God gives you the fortitude to bear this pain.
I don't need anybody or anything. All I want is my son back.
Okay. Flux, everything will be alright. Just let it go.
No. No.
Don't do this. Don't make me break down. You know, I don't like to see your tears. You know I got you, right? Let it go. Just let it go.
No.
Please. You asked to see me. Here I am.
Yes, I did. Your friend's refusal to accept my marriage proposal is driving me crazy.
Josh, what were you expecting? Were you expecting she would accept your proposal verbatim after all you did to her? I mean, who does that?
Listen, passions were high. I was in my feelings. I didn't know how to handle that situation at the point when she told me Emmanuel was her son and not her brother. I felt devastated and I didn't know how to tell my parents I was about to get married to a woman who's had a child before, a baby mama. I didn't know how to handle that.
And who made you the judge? Josh, I am disappointed in you. If you had listened to her, if you had given her audience, I am sure you wouldn't have changed your mind. But what did you do? You flared up. You called her names, you disappeared. You called her a baby mama without hearing her own side of the
I
story.
regret my actions. I'm not proud of what I said. People make mistakes and I'm sorry. I regret my actions.
Well, she has decided to marry Pastor Abraham.
What?
Yes.
She can't leave me for that guy.
Oh, really?
She can't do anything like that.
You will sit down in my office to tell me how my friend is going to live her life? Josh, I am disappointed in you. Well, she left her because of someone else. And I'm sure it didn't work out. That's why you want to crawl your way back into her life. Huh?
I messed up. I realized my mistakes and Floxy is a good woman. She can't be compared to any other person. But then it is not enough reason for her to leave me for that pastor, that fake pastor.
Listen, Floxy is a beautiful and a good woman. Otherwise, she has been supportive to you. Alright? So you don't decide for her.
I know that. You don't have to tell me. I'm aware of who she is. She's a good woman. I just messed up. Floxy is more than a wife material.
Yes, I know, my friend. She is. But you messed up her head. You made her vested her anger on her son, a child she carried for 9 months and baited. What is wrong with all of you guys? Floxy don't deserve that kind of treatment.
Floxy, tell me the truth. What is it I'm hearing that you're about to do? Are you trying to leave me for the pastor?
Where did you get that from?
Floxy, can you cut the pretense? Just tell me the truth. You told me categorically that you couldn't tolerate the fact that I called you a baby mama. Yet you're trying to get married to someone who raped you and got you pregnant when you were a teenager.
What are you talking about?
Really? All right, tell me you're not trying to get married to the same pastor.
Are you trying to insult me? Because this is just about enough. I mean, a year ago, yes, you could tell me what to do, but not now. Now I do things exactly the way I want to do them, just the way I deem fit.
No, tell me, you don't want to be a pastor's wife?
You don't have the right to tell me what to do. Where are you? Basil!
You're not going to leave me for someone who raped you and got you pregnant. You're not going to do that. And guess what? I'm not leaving here until you clear the air. Tell me the truth. Are you getting married to the pastor or not? It's as simple as that.
I know I've hurt you. Can we go back? Let me give you all the love you need. I'm sorry.
Good day, sir.
Young man, how dare you barging on me like that? It's unconventional barging on a man of God.
Man of God? You call yourself a man of God? Really? Man of God, my white ass.
Who are you?
Do I look familiar to you?
Have we met before or something? Wait a minute. The young man I met at Sister Flox's place, right?
You remember? Well, I'm very excited you remembered me. Now listen and listen good. I'm here to tell you to stay the hell away from Floxy. She is my woman. I love her so much and I can't let you take her away from me. Understood?
Young man, can you bring down your voice knowing you're talking to a servant of God? What exactly are you talking about?
Okay. You're trying to pretend you don't know what I am talking about.
Oh no, I don't.
Listen, you hurt her once, and I'm not going to let you hurt her again. Stay the hell away from Floxy.
Well, I can see you don't have anything important to do with your time. I was actually studying the Word of God before you rudely barged in on me. So if you don't mind, use the door.
I should use the door.
Excuse me.
I will. But like I said, stay the hell away from Floxy. She's my woman.
What are you blabbing about for the last time?
Don't say I didn't tell you.
What are you blabbing?
Man of God, my ass!
God have mercy on you. I have missed you.
I miss my son. It's all my fault. I'm a terrible mom. Not for once did I show him any form of love or care.
It's not your fault, Floxy. You have to stop blaming yourself. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have left you.
It has nothing to do with you. How did you know about the pastor and I?
Your friend told me. Jessica.
There's nothing between us.
Can I ask you a question? Have you forgiven me?
Yes, Sister Floxy.
Hello, Pastor Abraham.
I am about driving to your house.
I forgive you.
Really?
There's no reason why I shouldn't. My fiancé thinks it's about time too.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Honestly, I am so relieved. May the good Lord bless you. God bless you. Thank you so very much.
Goodbye for now, Pastor. I feel so light. I feel so light. Oh my God, Emmanuel, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my child.
When you look at me, all you see is a scar from your past that you wanna let go forever. You hurting me, I am blamed for your misfortune. I wish I can take all your pain away. When will this be over? Someday, be over today. Cannot wait for this to be over. When will this be over? Someday, be over today. Cannot wait for this to be over. When will this be?
He's in a better place. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Cannot wait for this to be over.
It's okay.
When will this be over? Someday.
He's in a better place.
Cannot wait for this to be over.
I've lived in pain for so long. I've been praying for my healing, but it's not coming around. It has changed my life. I'm a shadow of myself. I keep hurting the ones I love, and I cannot take it back. I'm sorry, I know I've hurt you. Can we go back? Let me give you all the love you need. I'm sorry, I know I've hurt you. Can we go back? Let me show you all the love you need. I wish I can take the hands of time back again. I will do so many things differently.